How to see all of your saved passwords on Android device. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily see all of your saved passwords on your device. But before you get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. The first thing that you need to do is open up your Google Play Store and make sure that you're logged into your correct account. From here, you just want to head over to manage your Google account. After doing this, it will take you to your Google account management. So once you get here, you just have to scroll down a bit on the side and you will see the security tab. Just tap on it. And from here, you just scroll all the way to the bottom until you see Password Manager. There are quite a few ways to access your Password Manager, and this is one of them. And from here, you just want to tap on Manage Passwords. So here you will see list of all of the passwords that you have saved on your Google account. And if you want to find a password for anything, let's say if I want to find a password for my GitHub, I'm just going to tap on it and it will ask me to verify my biometrics or ask you to enter your PIN. And if you just tap on this eye icon right here, it will reveal your password. So that's pretty much it. If you found this helpful, I will see you guys on the next one.